Hi and welcome back. In this episode we will cook the authentic Hungarian fisherman soup. Its simplicity and the good quality ingredients make this dish delicious. So sit back and enjoy. We will start by dicing a Hungarian wax pepper. We will do the same to a few white onions. For the exact amount, check the description below. When done, we clean and cut off the fins of our carps. You can make this soup with a mix of river fish like perch, catfish, carp, and many more. We will just use carp for this dish. We slice it up and we will cook the head too. The head gives a good amount of fat and flavor to our soup, so we always use it. Before cooking the carp, we season it with salt and we let it rest for a few hours. Cooking this delicious soup is very simple. We add the fish and we continue by adding the same amount of water as the fish. For instance, we used 4 kilograms of fish and we added 4 liters of water. When done, we add the onions, the diced pepper, and we season with ground pepper. This fish has a good amount of salt, so we will add some more when it's done cooking, if needed. We always pay attention to the heat. It needs to be high because we want to bring it to a boil fast. We add the paprika when we see that the fat is foaming on top. This step is crucial because the paprika is soluble only in fat. If you add it directly to the water, it will not dissolve and the flavor will not be the same. If you like it hot and spicy, then feel free to add as much spicy paprika as you like. While our soup is cooking, we make the traditional pasta by hand. We will use flour, eggs, and a pinch of salt, nothing else. We incorporate it well together until we get a nice firm dough. We will roll it until we get a thinness of roughly 3 millimeters. When done, we sprinkle some flour on it and we cut it in thin slices. This pasta is called in Hungary as a matchstick pasta. It's quite obvious why. Our soup is looking good and it is almost ready. So we add a special ingredient, a clove of thin sliced garlic. We let it boil for a few more minutes and our soup is done. We will proceed by cooking the pasta. In a bowl, we add the water and the salt. When the water reaches the boiling point, we add the fresh pasta and we cook it for roughly 3 to 4 minutes until it is soft. We serve our lovely fresh pasta with a good amount of delicious soup and a nice slice of carp. It is a very simple recipe, but with the best quality and fresh ingredients, you will get an amazing experience. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you enjoyed our video, then feel free to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you on the next one.